So let's create a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017. So you click New Project button, and then the name will be Dancing Boy. It will be saved on Drive D. Oh, let's change our location where we will save our videos. So I'll click videos, and then for video demonstrations, click select, and then just leave this values as it is. Click OK, and here's our Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017 interface. So we need to import the files that we need to source panel. So we need to look for our where is that? Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm looking for the dancing character, that mob that we have just exported using Adobe Anime Creative Cloud 2017. I think there it is, boy.mov. And then we will also import the background music that we have created using Adobe Audition Creative Cloud 2017. Okay, so we have, where's that? I think it's in the music folder. So we have the sample mixdown.wav, and I'll be needing a background image for our dancing character. So it's in Drive D, okay. For that, I'm going to use this image as our background image for the dancing character, and we will drag this background image on the timeline or on the track. So we have video track 1, so we place our background image, and then on the source panel we look for the boy.mov. So here's our dancing character. So we also drag into the timeline on the video track 2. Okay, so observe that the order of the two files are like in Photoshop. So you have the first layer, it's like the first layer, which is the video track 1, and it contains the background image, and then we have the boy.mov, which is our dancing character. Okay, and then you click this one. Actually, we have effects control here, so we can adjust the position and location of our dancing characters. So you can adjust these values. You can see as I move my mouse cursor or change the value, we have 900. The location of our character changes. Okay, so let's put 700 or 500, and then so that for the x-axis or the horizontal axis, and then 250 for the so let's make it higher. Let's try 450 or 600. around 7:50, place our